Guys, mepɛkyerɛ mu kwan a wobɛtumi atɔ data bundle ɛwɔ all the networks a ɛwɔ Ghana. The cheapest way a wobɛtumi atɔ bundle. Nti yɛba yɛ phone screen no so a wɔwɔ laptop so a for laptop na wakɔ select Google Chrome. Nti yɛ select a mabɛ paste link wei wɔ ha. Merchant wei no mabɛbɔ so. Nti me select a na mabɔ search. Nti ɛbɛbie aba sei. Nti na me reflex it. Sei na ɛbɛbie. Go back to buy data, shop online, apartment. You have to buy data. Buy data. Use networks in Yaba, MTN, Telecel, Airtel to go. A spy, not Airtel to go, not spy. Therefore, MTN. Telecel yɛ non-spy. Nti first yɛnkɔ select MTN deɛ nansa ɛkyerɛ mu nyinaa kwan a wobɛfa so atɔ a wobɛtɔ the cheapest way fofo. Nti wobɛtype buy from MTN buy now. Nti wotype so a sei na ɛbɛba MTN confirm payment for data bundle. Nti ma membɔ number and shit. Give me a number. The number of person there and what about him? About Shaha. What number ni Shema? Number number ni Shimano upon next. You will choose package. You do have a selected package out of away. In Ghana cities, you will 3 gig, which is 18 cities. 4 gig, which is 23 cities, 5 gig, 28 cities, 6 gig, 33 cities, 7 gig, which is 37 cities, 8 gig, 41 cities, 10 gig, 51 cities, 12 gig, 60 cities, 15 gig, 70 cities, 20 gig, 95 cities, 25 gig, 115 cities, 30 gig, 136 gig cities, 40 gig, 176 cities, 50 gig, 210 cities, 100 gig going on 410 cities. We're going to compare to mashup bundles, you know, what difference in T America just said the cheapest way in T and selected 3 gig. You can select 3 gig to continue. Continue as a single order. So also add another order, which may add more orders. Here add into and continue. What click on continue as a single order. Until we try for Momo. We try for Momo, which is and that's a MTN, Telecel, and Voda, and I say a 30 go. And I'm typing number for MTN. MTN. select number in there. Now go continue. Go continue however package in there. The number na ba no. Gig out person auto data bundle network I will use payment number so we and amount on this one. Other information so we I say if your receipt number is a data sim, the data will not be sent. In case of an incorrect number, funds are not refundable. And this number in your send the scanner. My wrong number into for scam will be if the owner owns airtime or data, the data may not be sent. And please report to an agent if the data has not been credited after 1 hour and 30 minutes. The other press continue. Now, continue. We'll continue now. Continue as I saw it, network in here. We'll continue. I do call the next stage. I send it message. I call Momo no so Momo line and I approve the amount. BB ever now approve. Not no auto data bundle. Tianko. I thought to go. Tianko say about it. Selected by data. Telecel. We select Telecel. Okay, buy Telecel for the end. Overall number as usual. We select a gig. Telecel price there for 5 gig, which is 27 cities, 10 gig, 48 cities, 15 gig, 68 cities, 20 gig, 85 cities, 30 gig, 21, 120 cities, 40 gig, and 369 cities, and a 50 gig. And it's the same procedure. They select 50 gig. It is a boy number she one. Boy number she one. The member number is the same procedure as the first one, as MTN there. Why? As MTN there na paper yeah. One thing is may leave link in our description box in the one. Wait me a copy there until the phone number where she the same number in the air until I select a package that to go continue. Number of person with you, no one boy she. Use the same number. The same number. Now I will continue. It means I know so about summary. I will continue. I will continue. And the same procedure. The first one, MTN. And also the same rules now I apply. Now, so I allow cash out to who use can no allow no way it then go back to it a 30 gig, a 30 gig, a spy, a spy, 30 gig. So package 1 gig 5 cities, we have a spy. The other ones in the spy 2 gig, 10 cities, 3 gig 13 cities, 50 pesos, 4 gig 17 cities, 5 gig 20 cities, 6 gig 24 cities, 7 gig 27 cities, 8 gig 30 gig, 10 gig 41 cities, 15 gig 54 cities, and 20 gig 70 cities. The cheapest one so far, the 105 gig, 215 cities. The way to go. We fashion to say and also I spy the same procedure as big first one. The call H and call by beam. Then call at no spy, non spy. Okay, so this one and spy our boss. The same procedure now selected 5 gig, 1 gig with the 5 cities, 2 gig 10 cities, 3 gig which is 13 cities 51st West, 4 gig 17 cities, 5 gig 20 cities, 6 gig 24 cities, 7 gig 27 cities, 8 gig 30 cities, 10 gig 41 cities, 15 gig 54 cities, 20 gig 70 cities, 25 gig 85 cities, 30 gig 90 cities, 40 gig 100 cities, 50 gig 130 cities, 90 gig 195 cities, 100 gig 210 cities, and 150 105 gig is with 215 gig. And also the same procedure as MTN, then I continue I overclock. Now was selected. Obo number ni be last part and we send the message amount. Message in the bow phone so I say ala cash out on we ko mobile vendor where we scan so never ba or bow password or approve or allow approve no. Obo password is shema or send it. I check so cry 1 hour 30 minutes ama report to my MTN for and any social network out of free ho and nipa na o yema ho no mo bia na ga onye usika se meye bando ama na bibisa. This is the easiest way with me at top data bundle cheapest e Ghana. A high tech project men we subscribe because ya base e ma onye sika online e be san so akire kon ya be fa so data sem so be for amount. May leave link in your description box na mo amount eti wetin ya ko click everything ya ko description box no na o pesa o to bin kwa dia wakọ akoto afiwo. That's it.